Here is, oh, oh, okay, little baby. Come on. Yes. And you want some? Funnily enough, for the longest time, I thought she was a he, because with Cockatiel specifically, like I have a normal one over there, but he doesn't like being grabbed and he's not as calm as she is. Uh, with Cockatiels, you find out about their gender through how vivid the colors are, particularly, their Pikachu kind of cheeks that they have. And obviously, she's all white. There ain't no vivid to the color to be discerned. So the way I found out that she's a she is she got horny. And eventually she did lay eggs. Though unfertilized, don't worry about it. They Every 2 years she just kinda lays eggs out of nowhere. Her first egg ever, she laid ass off the cage. Like literally just she had her ass off the cage as she was laying the egg, and it just fell like 5 feet down. So